Duck can get stringy if it's cooked incorrectly. That's why I usually oil poach my duck and crisp the skin up in a pan at the end. But today I'm trying something different. I'm gonna fry and baste. Let's see how this goes. This is room temperature duck that I dried off. You want to score the skin so that the fat renders off as the duck cooks. I'll make a hatch mark pattern on all of the breasts. And I'm gonna pan fry the breasts, starting skin side down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once some of the fat renders off, add the spices so that their flavors infuse into the oil. Every now and then, baste the duck with this fragrant oil. Next, turn the duck over and cook for about 2 minutes more on the flesh side. I took the duck to about 135 degrees, which is rare. Let the duck rest for 5 minutes before cutting or serving. And this is how it looks when it's cooked. It's golden brown with a crispy skin and very fragrant from the spices and oil.